Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have a dress haul. I did one recently and I've been looking for summer dresses. I wear dresses all the time. I like dresses. I'm plus size. I'm working on my body to get it where I want to be right now, but sometimes it's hard to find things that fit when I can't always wear exactly what I'd like to wear. So anyway, I am going to share what I got today. So let's just get started. Okay, friends, I want to first thank you for being here. I appreciate my subscribers and those of you who support my channel. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, do those things that support my channel if you wish. And so thanks for that. Okay, so the first thing, I got dresses, but I want to show a few other things I picked up that are just me from Temu. And so the first thing, we'll get to these first and then we'll go to the dresses. So first thing I got was this I can show pictures of these too, but this is it's just a Lazy Susan, and it's just a thing you can put your makeup on, put your bottles and things, make the height the way you want with these things. So it's okay. It's a little bit cheaper than I wanted it to be, but I think it'll do the job. So anyway, I got that, and I'll share that up there. And then the next thing I'm going to share is just a few jewelry items I bought. The first thing I got was this bracelet with the heart. Now, if you remember, the same heart, I got a necklace with the big heart, and I wore it a lot around Valentine's Day. And so when I saw the bracelet like it, I was like, I have to get the bracelet. So let's see here. So there's the bracelet, and I have a couple other ones on right now, so I don't think they all look great together, but anyway, there you go. So this is fun. I like it. It's just a fun little bracelet. You know, I will be honest with you, the jewelry I get from Temu is good. It's inexpensive and it's good. Like, I can get earrings for like 98 cents and they work. And anyway, so I'm not afraid to buy their jewelry, because most things I do every once in a while get something that's kind of a miss or cheap or whatever, but most of the stuff I get is pretty good. So I have 3 pair of earrings. Is that it? I have the 3 pair of earrings. I'm into the pink right now. Pink is my color. So I have these with the pink, these little ones with the pink heart, and these are really little ones with kind of a jewel pink. So I've got those 2. And then I have I got these, the little bit darker pink, and I don't have earrings on right now, so I think I'm going to slip those right in if I can. There's one. There's the other one. Okay, so there's the earrings. So there's that. The last thing I have on here, I actually got a cross necklace. I wanted a cross necklace and I ordered this, and then my husband bought me this one. I don't know if you can see that very good, but it's just a little simple dainty chain with some rhinestones cross. So I love it, and so I've been wearing it. Then I got this one, and actually I really like this one from Temu too. I wanted just as simple, real small and simple. It's just a simple reminder for me as a Christian. So anyway, there's that. And then this is the chain on this one from Temu. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really pretty chain. It's got the little kind of knots on it, dots or whatever, and then it's just a simple cross. So there's that. And it seems like really good quality. I mean, this one was a little bit nicer one that my husband bought me, but I can't, there's not that much difference. So anyway, whatever on that. So there's the jewelry, and now I have another pair of shoes. I always have a pair of shoes. These are great for summer and with dresses. Now these are super light. Like they don't, like I can't even tell. They don't weigh anything. In fact, I'm probably going to wear these when I go to the doctor. So when I get on the scales, my shoes aren't heavy. Does anyone kind of think about that ever? But anyway, so here's the shoes. It's just a kind of a macrame look. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so there we go. I don't know. I have more jewelry. I knew I had more jewelry. Okay, but anyway, so there's the shoes. And then for the jewelry, now these crack me up because these are about 10 sizes bigger than what I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be small, but they're big, like huge. I don't think, I don't have a neck, so I don't even know if I can wear these. They're actually kind of cute. I don't know. There we go. There's earrings. So if you see these, they definitely are bigger than what they look like on the picture. The next thing I have, I got more earrings. Let's see here. I got smiley face, white little smiley faces. I think those are cute. And then I also got a pink pair just like them. And then I got, what is in here? Okay, I got another pink. These are little pink smileys. Okay, these are little, the darker pink smileys. These are just fun for summer, I think. And then the last pair of earrings I got is kind of a macrame type earring. They're big. But they would look cute with my shoes, and this look, I'm kind of seeing this look a little bit more right now, and so I kind of like it. So there's that. So that's my jewelry, my makeup organizer, Lazy Susan, my shoes, and now let's get to the dresses. These are not really dresses, but this is kind of a, it could be a swimsuit cover up. You can see that. The arms right here. I actually have a black one like it and really like it, so I picked this up. That was again like a $5 item. And then the third thing, also a $5 item, was this. This is a swimsuit cover up. It's actually very see-through, which I think is kind of fun for a swimsuit cover up. The back is, it goes low in the back, and I'll put pictures up of these, but anyway, this is, it's really cute, but I probably would wear it more as like a nightgown or something, because it just, I don't know, it feels good. I really like it. So if you want to just pick up a couple $5 items, there you go. Okay, another $5 item is actually a dress. This was under $6. I can't remember exactly what it was, 5 something, or maybe it was 6 something. Anyway, this is just a little green floral dress. It's just got little cap sleeves, and so it has a little ruffle on the bottom. So that's my first dress. It fits fine, and I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, this is Temu. Also from Temu, I got a mistake. This dress, I liked it so much I bought it twice, and it doesn't fit twice. So how stupid is that? I think I returned the other one, didn't realize I had bought it. Same dress. But it doesn't fit me right in the bust line, and it's really short. So it's just not for me, but that's what it looks like. It's just got a sleeve like that. It's just kind of funky in the bust area. So anyway, that was kind of a miss. And the next dress I got is kind of weird. Like I said, when you're trying to find dresses in your size, and I've been looking for pink things to wear this summer. I actually had this on earlier today. I almost wore it in the video, and then I was kind of a darker pink look here, so I went with my darker. This is also a dress I'll tell you about in a minute, the one I have on. But this is just a pink, it's just a knit pink dress, and it has like a macrame type front. It has these little things that hang down. It's actually pretty cute on. It has a cap sleeve, just that hangs down. It's kind of big. Anyway, so this is fun. It's knit, so it's very comfortable. It's kind of short, you know, like to the knee or just above the knee. Anyway, so there's that. And then the last two dresses that I'm going to share are actually from Walmart. And one of them is the dress I have on. So this is just a knit. It's got a knit top, and then it's got like a woven bottom with a ruffle on it. I'll show a picture. If I get bold enough, I'll try them all on and do pictures like I did in my last video. But anyway, so that's this one. I love this. It's comfortable. It's cool. It's great for summer. Did I say it was comfortable? Yes. Again, it was comfortable. And then the other one I got from Walmart, I was able to find two pink dresses at Walmart. This one's just a t-shirt dress, just a basic t-shirt. But I love the fabric. I don't know if you can see. It's just kind of the color is, I don't know what they call it. But anyway, it's just fun, and it has two front pockets. So I've already worn this and love it. It's great. So these two dresses from Walmart were a hit for me. And I can't remember what I paid, but I'll go ahead and put a picture up, and if I have a link, I'll share it. I don't share my Temu links anymore because they never work when I spend all this time, and then they don't seem to work when I put them up. So anyway, with Temu, you kind of just have to search, but I will put up pictures, and I think that's it for this video. Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Dorothy. Oops, no, I'm not Dorothy. I'm Jolene, and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm going to be filming a Temu haul of dresses I just got, and this is one of them. So I was joking that I look like Dorothy. So my husband said all I needed was the red glittery shoes. I have one dress still on the way. So anyway, we'll see how that one turns out. It's kind of a floral, but it's got pinks in it. So anyway, and then I think I'm done for a while with dresses for the summer. So thanks for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.